Okay. So you can do caffeine, high blood pressure or heart palpitations, or it makes you feel antsy. Okay, perfectly fine. But so in addition to being in a calorie deficit, hitting the adequate amount of protein, doing some type of movement at least 30 minutes 3 days out the week, and then the supplements that I just showed, those can help you lose weight in a healthy fashion. They're also non-caffeinated. Uh and it's a healthy version. All right, I've done this in videos before, but probiotics help with digestion. And any adult should have between 25 to 30 CFUs, which stands for colony forming units. Then we have L-Carnitine, which is an amino that specifically targets bad fat inside of the body, and it helps with burning it up, increasing metabolism, and converting that fat into energy, helping with energy production. I do not suggest taking it at night. Then we have CLA, which is, I might get this wrong, chondrogenic lyolinic conjugated linoleic acid. Look, I butchered that. Anyways, CLA is a healthy fat similar to like avocados, pistachios, walnuts, MCT oil, things like that. Healthy fats, when you put in healthy fats inside of your body, it helps get rid of bad fats. And therefore, imagine your body going from mud to clay, and you can sculpt it better. That's how you burn fat, non-caffeinated.